Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. My name is Panca, and today I will be your host. I'm very happy to be here with my partner Dito, who will be our guest speaker for today discussion. Today we are going to talk about the impact of full price in charge. This topic very important because in every money aspect of our daily life, including transportation, the economy, business, and uh, society. With out further ado, as let's begin our discussion.
Thank you, Pancha. It's a pleasure to be here. I'm excited to share my thoughts and discuss this important topic with you today.
To begin our discussion, could you explain what a fuel prince injures means?
Of course, full increase means the government or fuel companies rise is selling price or gasoline or diesel. This can happen because of higher global oil price, change in government policy, or increasing product costs. Although increase may seem small, it can it can affect many aspects of people life because fuel is need for transportation and this distribution of goods.
That's a very clear explanation. So, fuel is not only important for vehicles but also for the economy as a whole.
Exactly. Many economy activities depend on fuel. When fuel become more expensive, many other also increase.
In your opinion, what is biggest economic impact of fuel price increase?
I believe the biggest impact is the increase in the price of goods of service. Transportation and company usually spend more money to deliver product. As a result, business often increase the price of food, clothing, and other daily necessities to cover their higher transportation costs.
That's mean consumer have to spend more money for the some products.
Yes, that's correct. According the World Bank, higher energy price can increase production and transportation costs, which eventually lead to higher price for consumers. This situation can reduce people purchasing power, especially for low-income families.
It's very interesting. So full prints that not only affect transportation but also influence people purchasing power and the overall economy. Alright, now let's talk about transportation. In your opinion, you do is the increase in full prints affect transportation costs.
The impact is very significant. Public transportation operators usually spend more money on fuel. To cover this additional cost, they may increase ticket price or transportation fares. People who use motorcycle or private cars also have to spend money very week. This situation can make it difficult for family with limited income to manage their daily expense.
Hmm. Alright, how about university student due to also feel the impact?
Absolutely. Many university students travel to campus every day using motorcycle, buses, or online transportation service. When fuel price increase, transportation costs also increase. As a result, students might need to spend more of their monthly allowance just to get to campus.
So full prince interest can directly affect student financial condition.
Yes, some students might even reduce other expense, such as buying book or eating outside, in order to save money for transportation.
Besides transportation, full price insurance are often linked to inflation. Could you explain why?
Certainly, inflation means a general increase in the price of goods and service over time. Since transportation is involved in almost every business activity, higher full price increase distribution costs. When distribution costs increase, company often raise the price of their product. This is one of the reasons why full price increase can contribute to inflation.
Can inflation influence people quality of life?
Yes, it can. If people's salaries remain the same while the price of goods continue to rise, their purchasing power decrease. They may have to reduce spending on education, healthcare, or even neutral food.
According to economy, student inflation can become a serious challenge if it is not controlled properly. Do you agree with that statement?
I completely agree, Pancha. Economists explain that stable prices are important for economic growth. If inflation becomes too high, people lose confidence in the economy and business may reduce investment. Therefore, government usually try to balance to price policy with public welfare.
Thank you for your experience. That was very informative and easy to understand. We have talked about the economy, transportation, and inflation. Now let's discuss safety. Which groups of people do you think are most affected by fuel price increase?
In my opinion, low income families are the most affected. They spend a large part of their income transportation, food, and other basic needs. When fuel price increase, the price of many essential goods uh, also increase, making it more difficult for them to meet their daily needs.
How about small business owners?
Small business also face serious challenges. They usually spend more money on transportation and product distribution. If they increase their selling price, they may lose customer. However, if they keep their price the same, their profit becomes smaller.
So full price increase create challenge for both consumer and business owner.
Exactly. That is why full price are not only an economy issues, but also a social issue become they affect many aspect of people life.
In your opinion, what can the government do to reduce the negative impact of full price increase?
I think the government can provide targeted subsidy for the low income families and improve public transportation. Affordable and reliable public transportation can help people reduce their transportation expense. In addition, the government can encourage the use of renewable energy and support programs that improve energy efficiency. This policy may reduce dependence on fossil fuels in the future.
Those are excellent suggestion. Do you think ordinary people also have a role in dealing with this issue?
Yes, of course. People can use public transportation more often, share vehicle with other, and useful more experientially. Small action taken by many people can make a positive difference.
Thank you very much for sharing your idea and knowledge with us today. I learned that fuel price in charge affect not only transportation but also the economy, inflation, business, student, and society as a whole.
You're welcome, Panca. I hope our discussion help everyone better understand the impact of full price increase and encourage use to think about possible solution.
Thank you everyone who listened to our podcast today. We hope you found this discussion useful and informative. Don't forget to stay informed about current economy issue because the affect our daily lives. I'm Panca, and this is the end of today podcast. You in our next episode. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.